Welcome back to my channel, Colourful. So today we are making a video on colorful candles. Yes. So as the festivals of lights were coming, that is Diwali. So we cannot go out and buy the colorful candles because of COVID-19 pandemic. So to avoid going out, we are making homemade colorful candles. Yes. So let's go to the video. So the things needed: 3 candles. We have taken 3 pieces of candles. You can take how much you wanted. And this is colors. And one suggestion is that this is old colors. You don't want to throw old colors because it is very useful. So don't throw off your old colors. So let's start with the ingredients. I'm cutting these candles and putting it in this type glass. So we don't want to put the thread into it. So I got 2 glasses of candle pieces. Now I had got 2 glasses of this. So I am keeping 2 red color pieces into this candle pieces. And I am keeping this. Okay, the next one. Keeping this only. Keep aside to melt. Now the 2 is melted. Okay, the 2 is melted. So I am going to pour this in this bowl. Now the next color. Now our candle, it's ready. It is not hardened. We can see that there is a thread. If there is a thread, we can only burn it. So I have tied it here in a middle of the stick so that it will stand steadily. I will show you when it will harden. It is really hardened. Now let's keep these in a little bit hot water so that it will come out easily. So for a few minutes, let's keep this. Now it is 3 minutes. Let's keep it out. So it came easily. You can keep it for 3 minutes. Now our candle is ready. Now look at it. A red color and a mixed violet color. I liked it very much. Look at this. It is very easy to do at home, and its quality is good when we make in home. So let's burn it. So I burned it. It is very nice to see. So our colorful candle is ready. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Bye. Bye.